Buying the best pressure washer hose may look simple on paper. However, there are a lot of features that should guide you so that you get the right product. You might be tempted to buy whichever brand or model you come across. You should only buy a pressure washer with features that makes it suited for the niche of job you wish to accomplish with it. We've listed down the top 3 best pressure washer hose and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, columbiaflorist.net. Number 3. Sanjo SPX25 HD. Rated up to 2900 psi, this can help you get most light and medium duty work done. Plus, since it has a standard 22mm connection, this one will fit onto most pressure washers without any issues. At 25 feet, this hose is not among the longest, but it also means that the pressure does not get lost from one end to the other. Plus, with that length, it's more than you need to wash something like, say, your car, with the socket in the garage. The material from which it was made is of high quality, one that is very flexible as well. Plus, it features a coupler that allows you to connect it to any standard pressure washer. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning Monster 41030 Replacement Hose. Simpson Cleaning is known for producing pressure washer hoses of quite high quality, this one being a fairly good example. Fit for medium-duty work, it can withstand up to 4500 psi, a number that some even believe to be high-duty. This one is a good option if you need more coverage. At 100 feet long, it's longer than most hoses you will find on the market, which means you can use it even if the power and water source are far away. You can even get it in a 200 feet length if you want. Last but not least, it was made from polyurethane with a dual braided construction of polyester and steel. Thanks to its construction, it won't get damaged as quickly as the average hose would. Number 1. Schiefer Co. This textile braided hose was designed to be compatible with both electric and gas-powered pressure washers. It can withstand a water pressure going as high as 3000 psi, making it the perfect choice if you have some medium-duty work to get done. It is a 50 feet hose, so this one is long enough for you to reach a decent distance. Moreover, it is abrasion, ozone, and kink resistant, meaning that it has higher durability compared to most hoses. The hose has on both sides a female twist connect, which means that it gets screwed into both the wand and the pressure washer. This makes its installation flawless and secure, preventing the hose from coming out of its place. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day.